Thank you for your interest in the Green and Healthy Schools Cool Choices game. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to navigate the Game Coordinator tab. A game coordinator should have the Admin tab at the top left. This is where game coordinators can control the game. Here is the home screen. You can see all of the daily active players, who has been playing, and how many actions have been taken total. Here you will also see the game registration link. This will be the link that you will send your players to register for the game. Registration should be done about 2 weeks before the game starts. The next tab on the left is the Actions tab. Here you can see all of the players, the cards they have played, the points that they have, whose team they are on, and any other information that might help the game coordinator better implement the game. The next tab on the left is the Players tab. Here you can see all of the current players that are in a game. You can also add a new player to the game. This should only be done if the registration link does not work. The next tab on the left is the Teams tab. Here you can see all of the teams competing against each other, how many points they have, how many actions they've taken, total members, and the team captain. You can also create teams by clicking the orange button in the right-hand corner. This is where you will assign team captains and team members, along with a team name. The Locations tab on the left shows you who is playing in what time zone. This is for if multiple schools are playing against each other. The next tab on the left is the Game Newsletter tab. Here you can see all of the newsletters that will be sent out throughout the game. Lastly, the Resources tab will help game coordinators get to the curriculum associated with this game. This would be the Green and Healthy Schools website and the Environmental Education for Kids website. Both of these resources are recommended for use throughout the game. Thank you for your interest in the Cool Choices game, and we are excited to implement this game in your school this January.